Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Expert Mind. I am Fahad and today I am going to see what is inside this mini RC helicopter. In the next video I am going to turn this RC helicopter into an RC plane. So stay tuned. But before I start the video, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to receive the notification about my new videos. So let's start it. Here is the IR receiver. Through this, the controller and the helicopter communicate with each other. The assembly is pretty simple. It has a simple DC motor connected with a few gears and then two propellers. On the back, here is the circuit. It consists of two leads. One is for indicating the charging and one is for indicating the status, whether it is on or off. Some transistor and an IC. And it is powered by a simple lithium battery, a small one. And that's all about it. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, give it a big thumb, share the video and don't forget to subscribe.